Welcome to PNK Stocks YouTube channel. To achieve success in stock market, one must diligently adhere to the well-defined set of rules. If you are not following the defined set of rules, then you will be facing a lot of challenges. As if you are a beginner, it's tough for you to set rules to start your stock market game. For that, you can consult your financial advisor or mentor or the training that you are taken from somebody. If that is the case, then just follow whatever they say, but you should find out a mentor who should be successfully minting money in stock market. Otherwise, you will also face challenges. Take a oath that you always follow your set of rules to trade and without emotions. This is very key. The set of rules say example, before you entry, you should always analyze the stocks on multi-time frame before market opens and ready with the stocks. And other set of rule example could be trade only 2 trades per day. Don't do over trading. If you want to do additional trade, then if first 2 trades are successful, you can take a chance to do the third one. But if 2 trades are not in favor, then close the system. For investing, one stock to buy in 15 days, even though you are looking for a swing trade or a long term trade. If you want to buy 5 stocks in a day, what will happen in next 2 weeks if there is any global cues? Your capital will be denting. So buy one stock, that too in 2 weeks time, or else monthly one. And main important thing, if any stock is falling after you purchase, don't think that averaging is the best method. So we should not catch the falling knife, it will hurt us. Similarly in stock market, if any stock is falling, you should not average. You can average when stock is moving up. Process is more important than money. If you follow the process, money will come automatically. The process could be for intraday, your process something like take the entry. What should you do after taking the entry? Whether you need to place the SL or target. SL is must. Place the SL first, then go and place the target. Then wait. In between, you will be facing lot of emotions in your thing. When price is coming down, it is moving around your SL. Once you take a call and take an entry, placed SL and place the target, let the market tell what to do. If it hits SL, go back to the system and take away the target. If your entry moved to your target level, go to the order book and close the SL order. Come with a minimum capital which you can afford to lose completely. If you lose any, then it should not hurt your emotions. This is very important. If you are a beginner, if you have a 1 lakh capital, though you have taken training from well-known legends, but still there is a high probability of wiping out your capital. So if you want to be long in a trading journey, then though you have a 1 lakh capital with you, only put 10,000 in your trading account and see how long you can survive with the 10k capital. After putting 10k, Then start doing trade and see after 3 months. Check whether your 10k is become 5k or 0, or else 10k is surviving and you are at no loss no profit kind of a break even thing, or else you may be in profit way. But still, whatever the case, if your capital is 0 or minus something, then again make your trading capital could be around 10,000 again. Say you made a loss of 5,000 and your capital 10,000 become 5,000, then put additional 5,000. If you are in a profit and 10,000 become 15,000, take that 5,000 in your account and enjoy that 5,000. Let it be 10,000 again in your account. Check after 6 months. Still your capital intact and with profits, let the profit be additional to your capital. Say after 6 months you have 10k become 20k. Now trade with 20k. No problem, because you already taken 5k. So your actual capital is 5k and now your capital become 5k to 20k because you already taken 5k. Now still after 1 year you are in profits, then you have left out, from 1 lakh you are taken only 10,000, so 90,000 is there. So take that additional 40,000, keep the 50,000 intact, and start following the same thing every year, so that you will be successful in stock market. Think how to protect your money, capital. Protecting capital is more important to be surviving the stock market. As we discussed earlier slide, that though you have a 1 lakh capital, you are putting only 10k and you are working on it and you are checking. See, don't come to the market and want to become millionaire or billionaire in 1 year or few months. It never happens. Only thing that you can do is that you can beat banks or markets, but not making 25%, 50% or double your capital. You are beginner or it's 2 years old and you are making losses in the market. If you are successful, then this channel is not the right place for you, because you are better than my position. So this channel is only for beginners to up to 2 years or those who are making losses. So now how to protect the money? First of all, say example you are trading with 1 lakh. Though you are trading with 1 lakh, don't go to the futures and options. Still stick to the equity. People with 1 crore capital also works on equity. They don't go to the futures and options. Futures and options are easy way to erode your capital. Market may throw out of you, or else you will be losing your capital and putting again your capital back into your account. So it's a lot of challenges. At least you need to gain minimum 10 years experience in stock market to do futures and options. Otherwise it will be very challenging. Why instead of going for futures and options, you can buy the same thing in the equities with the same lot size. Say example, HCL Tech future lot or option lot could be around 1200 example. So now in equity buy 1200 shares. My suggestion, you are a beginner, then don't go more than 100 shares to buy or short shares. So now you define your loss 1000 rupees. Place the 1000 rupees as your stop loss and exit if you hit the SL, so that you can survive in the market longer and you can protect your capital. To achieve success in stock market, one must diligently adhere to the well-defined set of rules. If you are not following the defined set of rules, then you will be facing a lot of challenges. As if you are a beginner, it's tough for you to set rules to start your stock market game. For that, you can consult your financial advisor or mentor, or the training that you are taken from somebody. If that is the case, then just follow whatever they say, but you should find out a mentor who should be successfully minting money in stock market. Otherwise, you will also face challenges. Market is market. It's not possible to argue with the market. Follow the market. Don't go against to the market. No revenge. Example, your first trade made loss in one of the stocks. Now don't see that with the same stock you want to get profit. The same day you have 4 5 stocks to play in the market that you analyzed and keep it ready. In one stock you made loss, then don't try to get profit in the same stock. If that is the case where you need to leave that stock for the particular day, then go to the next alternative 4 or 5 stocks, whatever that you analyzed the previous day for the next day trade. Go and see any setup that works for you to get entry into the other states. Don't take revenge on the particular share to particular stock to get profit. Process is more important than money. If you follow the process, money will come automatically. The process could be for intraday, your process something like take the entry. What should you do after taking the entry? Whether you need to place the SL or target. SL is must. Place the SL first, then go and place the target. Then wait. In between you will be facing lot of emotions in your thing. When price is coming down, it is moving around your SL. Once you take a call and take an entry, place SL and place the target, let the market tell what to do. If it hits SL, go back to the system and take away the target. If your entry moved to your target level, go to the order book and close the SL order. Come with a minimum capital which you can afford to lose completely. If you lose any, then it should not hurt your emotions. This is very, very, very important. If you are a beginner, if you have a 1 lakh capital, though you have taken training from well-known legends, but still there is a high probability of wiping out your capital. So, if you want to be long in a trading journey, then though you have a 1 lakh capital with you, only put 10,000 in your trading account and see how long you can survive with the 10k capital. After putting 10k, then start doing trade and see after 3 months. Check whether your 10k is become 5k. Set clear investment goals. Define your investment objective, whether they involve long-term growth or income generation or a combination of both. Having a clear goal helps guide your decision making process. Now you plan to do a intraday trade where you need to close the trade by 315 or 330, but you are making losses. Don't jump and hold the stock for a swing trade or positional trade. If you did that, swing and positional also getting losses after 2 months or 3 months, then don't jump into investing. You should have a clear definition or define whether you want to invest or you want to put a money for swing or for intraday. And once you decided, then if it is intraday, whatever the case may be, exit by 350. If it is a swing trade and you thought of holding for 3 months, if you get a profit before, you can exit, but after 3 months, that whatever period that you thought, exit without seeing whether it is a profit or loss. For investing, if you plan for an year, you can hold for a couple of quarters more based on the previous quarter performance. But you should not jump from intraday to swing and from swing to investing. To achieve success in stock market, one must diligently adhere to the well-defined set of rules. If you are not following the defined set of rules, then you will be facing a lot of challenges. As if you are a beginner, it's tough for you to set rules to start your stock market game. For that, you can consult your financial advisor or mentor or the training that you are taken from somebody. If that is the case, then just follow whatever they say, but you should find out a mentor who should be successfully minting money in stock market. Otherwise, you will also face challenges. Stay updated on market trends. You should aware about latest market trends, news, economic indications, trend, trends that may be affect the stock market. This information can help you to make more informed investment decisions. Now let us say you have invested in a manufacturing company stock and you thought of holding that stock for 2 years, and you have already generated 50% returns in that stock and you planned for a 100% returns, but you blindly seeing the stock price and not following that particular stock movement. All of a sudden one of the production area got fired and there are a lot of loss occurred due to the fire accident. Do you think that your stock will give you double in next 1 year? No. In that condition, what we need to do? We need to exit that stock because they occurred lot of losses because of that, and next coming few quarters they'll be showing losses. So if company is showing losses, then stock price may not. So we need to follow the information about the particular stocks that what we are holding. We need to set a risk tolerance levels. For different stocks, there will be different risk levels. For some stocks, there will be high risk and also high reward. This is called a mid cap stocks or a small cap stocks. Some of the stocks will double in 6 months or triple in 1 year time frame. But at the same time, these stocks will fall 40%, 50%, 60% or even more. Now, if there is a risk, there is a reward as well. But as a beginner, we should not get into that kind of a risk where your emotions may not be good to hold those stocks. What you do, you invest and always exit when you are making losses. In other way, there will be some stocks will be more stable but give and also give low growth prospects. If you invest in Nifty 50 stocks, that stocks may not double in 6 months or 1 year. It will take minimum 3 years or 4 years, or even some of them will take 5 years or more. There will be growth in those stocks, but at the same time, these stocks may not fall 20%, 30%, 40%. There may be market fluctuations. Stock price may come down to 10% or 15%. But again, during the course of time, that stock price will come back to the current market prices. But there won't be high risk in these stocks. So you should see your risk tolerance and invest accordingly. We need to establish a disciplined approach. We need to develop a consistent investment strategy, only one strategy, and stick to it. If you have 10 strategies, you can't put money based on your 10 strategies. You need to identify one strategy which is giving more accuracy and which is more comfortable for you to study the stocks, and based on the strategy you can invest. We need to adjust to the short term market fluctuations. Emotion will come into the picture, but as we decided to invest in this stock by analyzing its financials and everything you find good, then for short term market fluctuations, we should not take a decision to get out of that stock. If there is any drastic change in the company financials or company management announces or any fraud, then that is a different case. But financials are intact, and for short term market fluctuations, price may come down and move up. These are the opportunities for us to add more. If company financials are intact, then we can hold for short term market fluctuations. Monitor your investments. Regularly review the stocks, assets that we invested in. If we do that, then we can identify the potential red flags of the opportunities that what we are owning. Again, we can say the same example. If there is a company and management done a fraud and you plan to hold that stock for next 5 years, these newses will affect stock market, not only this stock but entire stock market. So still you feel that stock will give you holding 5 years is a wise decision? No. Nowadays, in every year we are hearing the company management fraud, and people are running out of the country as well. So we need to monitor our stocks regularly, and all financials we need to check regularly, at least if not once in a week but at least once in a month for investing prospect. Practice patience and long term thinking. These things will help in the stock market. Even though the stock volatility, in the short term fluctuations, we can still hold that stock. Even though for short term fluctuations, we should think for long term perspective if financials are good. The said stock financials are good, but with global cues markets are coming down, then there is no hurry to exit but can add more. Learn from mistakes. This is the key in this market. Now this can't be taught in any professional to you. When you commit a mistake in stock market, you need to register that in your mind, and you should not repeat your mistake. We need to learn from our mistakes. So take a diary, and if you in day-to-day activities, if any trade that goes wrong, then do a deep dive in that and understand why it went wrong. So You should not commit the same mistake again and again. If you write these things in a diary and at least if you review once in a week, then it's easy for you to not to repeat the same mistake. We need to sometimes consider professional advice. In company financial, sometimes we stuck somewhere where we can't understand whether to move forward or not. But for this, if you consult your financial advisor or a mentor who is very good at it, then we can understand, we can take off our hurdles and we can move forward. So don't think that you know the stock 100% knowledge that you have in the stock market. Consulting professionals will get you more knowledge. But before you feel that you need to consult a professional, then think twice that he's a better professional than you in stock market. These are the rules that one need to understand in stock market, whether he's an intraday player or a swing player or a positional player or even for investing. If you understand this, then you will be better person than the crowd who are there who is losing 95% people are losing in the stock market. So you'll be on the top side of the 5% people who are making money. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. A lot of people are watching my videos, but they are not subscribing my channel and they're not liking my videos because of hurry. So please subscribe and like my video. I'll be getting a lot of good strategies going forward.